Hi, this is the Poco F5 Pro and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So first, let's open the Google app, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. After that, tap to voice section and click to voice match. So to turn on this option, wait a couple of seconds. Be sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi. So once again, and you'll see here down Hey Google swatcher. Just tap once on the swatcher. Here tap to more. I agree. Continue. Now we could see that the Hey Google option successfully activated, but if you wanna change to add your voice model, for example, tap to voice model, click retain voice model, and say after that, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And after that, just tap to finish on the right hand corner. And now, after that, you could say, okay Google, hey Google, and you'll see that this option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.